Hi guys, welcome to today's vlog. So I decided to start the vlog a little bit earlier instead of the weekend. So it is Friday, I'm on my way to work, and yeah, so I want to take you along like my official weekend, so Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Yeah, so I'm on my way to work right now. The day is great, it's 65 degrees. It's gonna rain a little bit later, but that's okay. So yeah, I'm gonna take you guys along. What else? I don't really know, but I'm excited for the weekend. I'm actually so tired today. I overslept by a lot, but that's okay. So yeah, I'm just excited. I already had a coffee and I feel like I need another. I'm really just exhausted today. Yeah, we're gonna have a pizza party at my job, which I can't wait because I've been eating very well and I just want some pizza. We're also moving like buildings, so today's gonna be like a cleanse day, like where you just take all your stuff and you move it and get rid of it and donate it and whatever. So yeah, that's what's going on today. And yeah, I haven't checked my emails for the day because I can check them on my phone. I haven't checked that yet, but I'm hoping they're like really light and it's not like a busy Friday because I'm exhausted. But yeah, all right guys, hopefully I can get some content on my way to work and I will see you there. Hi guys, so I just got home from work. It was such a crazy day. We had like pizza and decluttering and all this stuff, and I wanted to get like some footage, but I couldn't because I was like so busy trying to do everything. But I just got a package from ASOS, so I'm gonna open it and I'm gonna show you guys what I got. So propping you guys down right there. Kind of see. Oh, there we go. That was easy. Oh my god. So I got this dress. Look at this print. How beautiful. This is, I'll try to link it down below if I can find it. But I'll show you what it looks like. This is from the brand Glamorous, and it's petite in a size, what size did I get? What size did I get? Oh, US 2. So it looks like this. Super cute, flowy, and very girly. So pretty. So I feel like I can totally wear this like casual and dressed up. I'm thinking I could have gotten a smaller size maybe. I don't know. I have to try it on and see how this fits. But I love the print again. So pretty, so feminine. I love it. Then the next dress, the next dress that I got is, whoa. Okay, oh no. Sorry, okay, didn't know it's like a two-piece thing. It's like a slip and then the layered dress on top. So this is from, it just says ASOS, so it's just like a slip. Okay, and then this is, what brand is this? I don't know, but I'm guessing it's ASOS as well. Size 2. Super cute. It's like very pretty grandma-y, I guess. Curtain vibes, but it's so cute. I got it also in a size 2, and what I like is that it has like appliques. So pretty. So just picture it like this, like with the thing under. Do you see it? That's without it and that's with it. So yeah, I can't wait to try these on, see if they fit, and if I like them. I also ordered a pair of heels. I'll show you. So this is from the brand Simi, and okay, first of all, they're 5-inch heels, which I totally didn't notice until after I ordered them, but we're gonna see. They don't look that bad. I mean, we'll see when I try them on, but they're like strappy heels. They look cool, so I thought they'd be fun with the dress. So yeah, I'm gonna try them on and see if they work. I also like the little, what is this called, like platform kind of that they have, so it's not really hitting the ground, so it's not really 5 inches. It could be like, I don't know, 4, maybe 4.5, which isn't bad. So yeah, that was my little mini haul that I wanted to show you guys of the couple things that I ordered from ASOS. So now I am, oh my god, I'm so hot, I'm sorry. I am going to grab dinner with a friend. I'm probably gonna do my hair change because it turned out to be like 76 degrees or something today. So I need to change because the sweater is not cutting it. And I think that my dog like rubbed off my makeup. So I'm gonna go fix that too, get put together, and yeah, I'll see you guys soon. Hi guys, so it is much later in the night. I ended up meeting my friend for dinner and we just like talked and like caught up, so that was really nice. I just like uploaded a video, so go check it out if you haven't already. Yeah, I'm exhausted. It is like 10 o'clock and I'm so tired. I'm gonna go take off my makeup and get ready for bed. I have a big day tomorrow. I'm getting my hair done at 8 a.m. so gotta be up for that. I'm gonna go get coffee before then. I mean, if I don't wake up exhausted, I might just make it at home. It just depends. And yeah, so I'm gonna try to take you guys along for my appointment tomorrow. And yeah, alright guys, I'll see you tomorrow. Hi guys, happy Saturday. So it is Saturday. I am on my way to go get my hair done. I'm so excited. I am cutting it and I'm dyeing it again, like filling in my roots. I don't know if you can tell, but yeah, I'm very excited. So yeah, I'm on my way there. I'm actually gonna go to the ATM first to get cash because I like to tip my girls in cash. So yeah, I'm gonna go do that right now really quick, and then I'll be on my way to get my hair done. Actually, I think I'm gonna go to Starbucks before my appointment, but let's see if I make it. Yeah. Alright guys, see you there. Okay, hi guys. So I just got my haircut. It looks phenom. I love it so much. It's beautiful. My girl Juliana over here at Belletta Salon killed it like always. I'm so obsessed. I cut off 5 inches and oh shoot, I'm absolutely loving it. So yeah, I'm gonna go home, get ready, go brunch, pics, you know, all that good stuff. I'll take you guys along and I'll see you there. Bye. Hi guys, so I just got ready. I did my hair, no, not my hair, I'm just kidding. I did my makeup and I got dressed, and now we are gonna go get some lunch. Not sure where we're going yet, but I'll try to take some video of what we get once we're there. Just wearing like this cute top from Forever, some gold jewelry, super simple, dainty, and then just jeans. Super easy, and yeah, happy day. So I'll see you guys later. So we just got done eating lunch. It was super yummy. We had Mexican, which is my favorite. So yeah, so as you saw in the previous clips, I had enchiladas, which are super good. And yeah, it was like super yummy, really good. Now we are stuck in a little bit of traffic, but we are on our way to take some Instagram pics with my new hair, which I'm loving. So yeah, I'm also super tired because guys, as you remember, I didn't have coffee today and I always have coffee. So we're probably gonna stop and get some coffee and maybe a treat or two because my sweet tooth is definitely kicking in. But yeah, Steve, do you want a treat? Did you see him? He's so funny. It's the love of my life. Right here.
Stop being weirdo.
Okay guys, TTYL. Hey guys, so just got done taking Instagram pics. I'm here with my cutie. And yeah, we're just done. Beautiful day out. Now we're gonna get some treats because it's so nice out, and I'm gonna show you guys what we get. Hi guys, so Steve just got us Dunkin' coffee. Oh my god, so good. I haven't had Dunkin' coffee in so long. And I have a, what did I get? Oh, Boston cream. Duh. I haven't had a Boston cream in months. So I'm definitely eating the whole thing. But yeah, really productive day, super good. I'm gonna go home now. It is 6 o'clock. It's like been such a long day. But yeah, I think we're ready to hit home. I'll keep you guys posted if we do anything. And yeah, alright guys, TTYL. Hi guys, good morning, happy Sunday. So we are on our way to the gym. We woke up a little bit earlier than usual, so that was nice. So yeah, you know, Sunday routine, gym, groceries, you know, all the goods. Someone's not happy about early morning gym today. It's okay. Alright guys, see you later. Hi guys. Wow, just got done with the gym. It was one good workout, guys. I am dead. So yeah, as you can tell, I look crazy like always. But Steve and I are on our way to go get some breakfast. We ordered pancakes because protein, and because just pancakes sound so good on a Sunday. So we're getting some pancakes to go. And yeah, it is 9:30, starting off the day on the right foot. So yeah, excited to see what we have to do today. All right guys, see you later. Hey guys, so I showered and I didn't wash my hair because I just got it done. So I just showered and now I'm gonna do my makeup. All my makeup's over here, brushes, all that stuff. So I'm gonna do my makeup and then get ready, and I'll take you guys along. All right, see you then. Whoa. Hi guys, so we just got done taking pics. We ordered Greek food. Cannot wait to eat that. I got a Greek salad and Greek fries, and Steve got, what'd you get? Pork loins or something? I'm not sure, but making his cameo. But yeah, I'll show you guys what everything looks like. And yeah, done with today's vlog. Went super well, lighting worked great. And yeah, we took some other outfit pics, but I forgot to vlog that. We had the pups with us today for the first look. But yeah, all right guys, see you later. Hey guys, so we just got home. I'm just gonna show you guys what we got. So I got a huge Greek salad. Oh my god, so excited to eat it. I've been like craving Greek salad. And then Steve got, I think we said pork tenderloins or something. Those look really yummy, with a side of like potatoes. I don't know if you can tell. And then they gave him like huge bread, and we also got a side of Greek fries, which we totally ate in the car on the way home. But yeah, so we're just gonna eat, and I think that's it. But I'll let you guys know. All right, see you later. Hi guys, so it's a couple hours later, and yeah, so I've just been like filming like non-stop. Gotta film all my videos because I'm leaving for a trip this weekend actually, so I want to get all that content up for you guys. So yeah, now I'm just gonna film one more video, which you guys will see in the upcoming days, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, I'm just gonna call it a night. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you all in next week's video. Bye.